Hey, what's going on, guys? So, today I am going to walk you through some of the things that you can do if you are having some issues watching videos on Netflix. So, the first thing you can try is go to Google search and type in Netflix down. On the results, click on the second one that says down detector. Now from here, you can see if there are some current issues with Netflix. So if there are no current issues but you still can't watch videos on Netflix, here's what you can do. First, check your internet speed. So you would need at least 5 Mbps to watch videos on Netflix. If you are still having issues, go to your phone settings, go to apps, and here you can search for Netflix. Scroll down to storage and tap on clear cache. Now this should solve your issue. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.